My name is Illyri, and I'm an official avatar of the PollinationX project, or short PX. Let's start by explaining what PollinationX is and why it's so important. PollinationX is a decentralized storage infra layer that provides developers access to custom decentralized storage nodes and offers end users dynamic NFTs with preset storage and bandwidth capacities. PX emerges as a beacon of innovation, bridging the gap between the theoretical promise of decentralized storage and its practical application, adding infrastructure and service layers dedicated to ease of access. So why all this is so important? Why should we care? Legacy cloud storage platforms are custodial, centralized, and permissioned, risking data custody, ownership, and single points of failure. Decentralized storage, however, splits and distributes your files across thousands of nodes, with reunification possible only via your private key. Deploying the PX layer to EVM brings significant advantages. Users can now access decentralized storage simply by minting an NFT while utilizing blockchain to sync their data structures across multiple devices. This approach abstracts the complexity of decentralized storage usage and shifts the paradigm from custodial to self-custodial, centralized to decentralized, and from mined data to truly owned data and data sharing. Hello again. Now that we learned what PollinationX is, we can dive into the PX app. I will do my best to guide you through this exciting journey of data self-custody and teach you how you can store any important data in perpetuity. What is a PX app, you may ask? PX app is a decentralized application, a developer dashboard, and an end-user file hosting service. It is built to service developers while managing subscriptions or accessing a range of developer settings and tools. It is also built for end users like you and me. It offers a file hosting service with cutting-edge decentralized storage solutions that empower users with full control and ownership of their data. Through dynamic storage NFTs, users can securely manage their storage quotas and bandwidth capacities. The app provides a familiar cloud storage experience where users can store, retrieve, or manage their sensitive data. The app enables you to sync files across devices in a self-custodial, permissionless manner, ensuring that your digital assets remain private and secure across all platforms, accessible only to the private key owner. It is made for storing personal files, sensitive company files, financial data, contract data, and other valuable information. I'm sure that questions are popping up left and right, but don't worry, we will address them step by step. This tutorial will be segmented into 5 parts: connecting to the app, setting up the dashboard and minting the first PX storage NFT, setting up the PX storage NFT account, uploading files to decentralized storage and managing file structure, and syncing the file structure to the blockchain. Let's first connect to the app. Visit the Testnet PollinationX.io or app PollinationX.io and click the Connect button. Choose your wallet connection method, confirm the terms, and connect to the app. Set up your account password and confirm the action in your wallet. At this stage, let's clarify that the PX app is a blockchain-based application that needs a Web3 wallet to work. The PX app dashboard is your mission control within the application. It lets you mint PX storage NFTs and manage their accounts. It's a place where devs can access integrator tools and settings. Before getting started, fund your wallet with the native token of the underlying blockchain network. Processes within the app need gas to execute transactions. In this case, the app is powered by the Soneium Minato Testnet. The first order of business would be to mint your storage NFT. PX storage NFTs are available and programmed with predetermined storage and bandwidth capacity and can be minted according to specific needs. After completing the minting process, the account dialog opens. When you first connect to the PX app, you'll need to create or import a PX storage NFT account. Next, either create a new account or import a private key of an existing one. Each PX storage NFT account has its own encryption with a unique public and private key pair. Follow the instructions carefully to complete the account setup. When setting up your account, be sure to store the private key securely. Just to note, you can access the private key later in the account section. The private key allows you to export your PX storage NFT accounts and restore your storage state on any browser-based device. Once you've set up the dashboard, Adding files to your PX Storage NFT account is as easy as dragging and dropping from your computer's file system. First, let's create a few folders so we keep everything organized. Drag and drop the chosen files to the dedicated form. You can see the upload progress on the right. Files will be automatically uploaded to decentralized storage. After uploaded, files can be downloaded, edited, or deleted. Just to note, when uploaded, your files are split into smaller pieces, encrypted and dispersed between various decentralized storage nodes. At the same time, data reunification is possible only with the user's private key. When we are uploading, editing, or deleting files, we are changing the file structure state pegged to our PX storage account. To be able to sync the file structure between different computers using the same PX storage account, we need to sync the state to the blockchain. So with two available sync options, we are choosing between needed actions, either downloading or uploading the file structure state to the blockchain. Click on the Sync with Blockchain button, choose the action, and confirm the transaction with your wallet, and you are done. That's it, guys. Thanks for sticking it to the end. For more information, visit us at PollinationX.io.